चलिए आज आपको मैं सैर कराऊंगा ओलाला की खूबसूरत इकोसिस्टम का। At the entrance itself, you will find a woman sticking out the tongue, which signifies playful and light-hearted gesture. ये बोलते हैं कि have fun in life and not take anything too seriously. This boutique has a boho style, which is all about relaxed and artistic way of life. This boutique has colorful koi fish shimmering in water garden. The koi have different colorful patterns on their bodies. Japan, koi represent love and friendship. This ecosystem features a beautiful cascading waterfall. The waterfall represents the journey of life or passage of time. It shows the powerful and beautiful side of nature.